Welcome to the step-by-step guide to Fidelity 529 plan. A comprehensive savings plan designed to help families save for higher education expenses. To get started, it is essential to understand what a 529 plan is and how it works. A 529 plan is a tax-advantaged savings plan that allows you to save for qualified education expenses, such as tuition, fees, and room and board. The first step is to determine if you are eligible to open a Fidelity 529 plan account. You can open an account if you are a U.S. citizen or resident alien, and you have a valid Social Security number or tax identification number. You can also open an account for a beneficiary, such as a child or grandchild, as long as they have a valid Social Security number. Next, you need to choose the type of account you want to open. Fidelity offers two types of 529 plans: the Fidelity Investments 529 Savings Plan and the Fidelity Investments 529 College Savings Plan. The main difference between the two plans is the investment options and the fees associated with each plan. Once you have chosen the type of account you want to open, you need to fund the account. You can contribute up to a certain amount each year, and the funds can be used to pay for qualified education expenses. You can also set up automatic contributions from your paycheck or bank account. After funding the account, you need to choose your investment options. Fidelity offers a range of investment options, including age-based portfolios, static portfolios, and individual funds. You can choose one or multiple investment options, depending on your investment goals and risk tolerance. Another important aspect of a Fidelity 529 plan is the tax benefits. Contributions to a 529 plan are not subject to federal income tax, and the earnings on the investments grow tax-free. Withdrawals from the account are also tax-free, as long as they are used for qualified education expenses. Finally, it is essential to monitor and adjust your account as needed. You can track the performance of your investments online or through the Fidelity mobile app. You can also make changes to your investment options or contribution amount at any time. In conclusion, a Fidelity 529 plan is a great way to save for higher education expenses. And by following these steps, you can get started today. Remember to choose the right type of account, fund the account, choose your investment options, take advantage of tax benefits, and monitor and adjust your account as needed. By following these steps and best practices, you can help ensure that you are saving effectively for your child's education.